Hey guys, it's Bobby again. I had a couple questions about sales being slow or no sales at all. I just posted on the Facebook group my sales history or sales for the last 30 days and kind of motivated people. But right before I did that, I actually opened up my eBay and email, got this message saying, um, hey, there are eyes on your item. Go for the sale. Drop the price to make the sale. Lower the price by 5% on items of shoppers' watch lists. Then we'll email them to say the deals got even better. So, what I'm going to be doing is actually going through the suggested listings and go ahead and lower it by 5%. Now, I know that we're drop shippers and that we only work on what 10% margin or maybe less and forget about promoted listings, right? But if I go into the eBay site and drop my price, the your reprices should reprice it up to your, break even or profit margin. So, well, I'm gonna go with that and see how that works. So I'm going to do that and update you guys once I get any results. All right, guys, that's all. So if you guys do have slow or no sales, try this. If you get this email, eBay actually does do a lot of promotions, so just check your inbox. Like before, they gave me a discounted upgrade. So from premium to anchor store, instead of paying the I don't know $250 or $300 per month, they gave it to me as the premium rate for the first 2 months. So, all right, guys. Like I said, subscribe to my channel, and I will periodically do videos like this when random things come up or updated news or any recent events. And click the notification bell. And like I said, you'll be notified once I actually upload these videos. Okay? Alright, guys. Have a good one.